you go. Right, we're having a little trip down at B&Q because I need some wood and I need some insulation as well to run out. I did buy it off Amazon before, but I need a little bit, probably a roll. So the B&Q one's exactly the same anyway. I'll show it anyway if I decide to get it. Right, some more insulation acquired. There's that one. It's same stuff, to be honest. It's not bad. I think I was £23 that, so it's not bad. It's not B&Q. And some more wood. Just got to finish these bits off now. I'll show you what I did with that in a bit. But there's method in madness. I'm putting some strengthening supports on here for the furniture, but that's just to hold the ply back. Right, so we've progressed a bit more, but don't worry, I haven't done all without showing you, because these are just temporary for now. They're coming back off again. I just needed to get them measured up, that's all. So that's as long as they were, or high should I say, so I need to add to them. This bit here, I'm going to do it like at an angle, because I might be that I want to put some wiring in there. Still got roof to do. Done that side, but I'm taking this one off. These extra bits here and there is where the pillars were, but I don't want it to jut right out, so I kind of do it so it's only got a little lip, so when it's carpeted it'll be pretty much flat-ish. I could have done it, I could have lost some space and done it flat all the way along, but you do lose quite a bit, so I didn't really want to do that. So it should be alright, but this, I'm going to bring this out so it's kind of like level with this step here, so it's like a wall going up, I think. And then here, I'm doing a cupboard what runs all the way down, and then the battery, I'm making a little area for it here, just basically lining it all up. I've got on my software what I've done, but it's nice to do it a bit more visual as well to get a good idea. So I'm doing that next. So I've got all the stuff out, so just having a little play around with that and see how it goes. Progressed a bit further, so that's not in permanently because I need to move it a little bit that way. But what I've done is I was testing how I can create something to hold it in place, which is that round there. I'll show you. It goes all the way around. They are only off-cut pieces, but they're just right for holding it in. And then I've got this strap for now, which I'd line about. I do want to get a ratchet one. And then at bottom there, those, I've made use of the tie-down hooks what were in the van originally, what I took up off the floor, put the floor down. So I've got quite a few of them, so they'll come in and they're ideal for that. Nice and strong. Just putting temporary to see how it fits and what it looks like. It's not wired up properly, there's no fuse box or any other bits in yet, just a breaker switch. All working though. But yeah, I've just put this marker wood there. That's not staying up, that's just temporary. So what it's doing, this what I call a marker piece, is just showing you where the units what are running down that end here are going to sit to. And then if obviously we're having units down here, seating across back, seating down here, that'll pull out into a bed. So the bed comes round to about there and here. So I'm marking that so I know which bed and units come to. And then that leaves me this big area here. So I'm going to move that battery up, put another marker piece up there, and that's where I'm going to build a unit what goes all the way up. Shelf in here, I'm going to have some drawers in that top bit, and this area around here I'm going to try and get it so it creates like my electrical cupboard. And then from here, because this is kind of like wasted space, I'm going to build something along here like a cupboard, something like that, all the way along. I'm going to put diesel heater in that, and I'm going to have my tank here for diesel heater, because this is where I fill up anyway. So it means I can open a sliding door. When I'm filling up, I can fill my diesel tank up. Diesel heater around about this area. Jobs are good, but it's coming on. A lot of this is coming back out again. It is, when I say temporary, it's so I can get it all lined up how I want and get each board cut how I want it, and then I'm going to put all the little strengtheners behind what I need for furniture and everything. Yes, coming on alright at the moment. Does look a bit skewy, like I say, it's not all measured up properly yet. So I'll crack back on. Just going to do a quick test on this battery. It weren't a bad price and it does seem to be decent. So I've done a temporary setup with the inverter, again, cheap inverter. So we'll see how it goes, because I want to see if it works this. Got it plugged in anyway. So let's have a look. Go along, got enough power. Let's see if it cuts out or if it works it. If it works it, it's a bonus because I've got some wood to cut. Definitely no problem there. Sorry about the noise. That's done well. That's done really well. Right, so I've just got to say, I needed to get this out, get the seat, because I need to put some wiring under here. Well, I got this. Sorry. I got this from Temu. Not expecting much, but it got that out. I tried, you know what I mean, I got this on it. Could not move it. Probably haven't been out for years. It would not shift, and that did it brilliantly. It's a right tool. It's the first time I've tried it properly, but I'm well impressed with it for money. Can't remember what it were, but I'll put a link above so as you can go across and see if they still got it, basically. I'll see if it's on Amazon as well. It's up to you where you get it from. But I'll just see if I can film it to do the other one, but I am one-handed. I ain't got my tripod at the minute. There you go. Works a treat. Right, I'll show you what I've progressed so far, but I just found this out. Well, I ain't found this, I bought this on Amazon. I'll put a link for it actually, it's 10mm. It's ideal for this wiring for my DC to DC charger. But what I did find out is I thought I'll get it clean out first, make sure it's not obstructing it, because someone had a job getting it wire through. So I thought I'd blow through it, and I found out this. What small minds get amused to. Right, anyway, serious job. I didn't actually take all the seat out, I undid all the bolts. Well, there's one there, one up front, one in the middle, one up front there, and there's one there. I didn't take the seat out, just undid it all, spun it around. I took the seat belt bolt out, which is just here. It just bolts out basically. Just made sure I saved it. Just spun the seat around a little bit, propped it up with some wood, which allowed me to lift this rubber, because under it there's like an insulation foam. So it allowed me just to lift it up a bit so I could shove this through. All the way through to where the battery compartment is up front, underneath oak matting. And then allow me to shove the wire through, which I've done, you can see there. So it just protects it while it's under all that, so it don't get rubbed over time, because obviously where it is, I need it to last. Don't want sketchy to happen. So that was easy enough. What I will tell you is, if you do take one of these seats out, if you want to do the same, if you look at this side here, where the bolt should be there, it's like, if you look at this side, you can get to the bolt there. There, sorry. And you can get to that one, which is there. But that one, front one's the same by the way, but that one you can't get to it. And I thought, oh, how am I going to get to that, because my fitting won't go in. But what it does is the bolt, what's inside there, see if I can get a good shot for you. Don't know if you can see it. But basically it's just like the fitting like goes around like that, and the bolt's inside it, so it just slides out of it. So that's just like a little locking mechanism. You don't take the bolt out, you just slide the fitting out of it. And then that was it. So I put the wire in, all ready for the DC charger, which will be going along under. I'm just tucking it under this all the way along, taking it into there when I've finished all this area, which ain't wired up properly yet. It's just on test, but I've put some safety trip fuse on it. It's all working all right. I'm changing some of this boarding for the thicker boarding, but it's coming on, so I'm gonna have another cup of coffee and play my whistle. Right, so I've just got to show you this first. This gel tape, it's from Temu again. It's ridiculously strong, it really is. So I've put it on this light, what I'm putting up. I've just put wiring through. I'll show you how I did that in a bit. But I want it there, so as we can shine it outside when we've got tailgate up. But I've put it on here. It's a gel tape. It's There's a couple of layers on there because it stands proud, but I'll show you. I'll have to stick it up first because I've only one hand. That's well stuck. I mean, they do come off, but you have to kind of like prise them off carefully with them plastic ties. But yep, that's on. That's what I stuck parking camera on with outside, and I only stuck it on temporary so I could line it up, and I've left it. It's sound. It means I don't have to drill into the van roof to hold the parking camera up. That's what I use for that. Put a link for that. It's on Temu. Don't know if you can get it on Amazon. I'll have a look. I'll put those links on. Get it from wherever you want. Some people don't like Temu. I do. Never had a problem with them yet. Oh, I had one problem. Something that I ordered and sent it back free. Got refunded within 4 hours, to be honest. So anyway, I'm going to test this out. Right, so trip switch is on. Don't need inverter on because it's coming straight from battery on there. 12 volts with a switch, because I put this little fuse box in. I'll show you that later on. So let's see if light works. So should do. Yep. Oh, that's a bright one. So there you go. I've got 2 of them. They were only cheap as well. Were they? I think they was from, can't remember if they were Amazon or Temu then. I think they're Amazon, but I'll double check on that. I'll leave a link for all these in the description as well. We're going to put some like QR codes on. But I'm using some new software and I haven't figured it all out yet. So I'll put them in description, I think. So if you have a look in description and probably in comments as well, put it in comment box to where I get a lot of this stuff. Because you can see I'm working. Really good. Still no issues with battery, and I've tried everything with it, but I will do some video tests on that so you can see the battery working. Anyway, I'm going to leave that for now. Just got some bits to do, got that to finish off. That's where I took out wiring for that. But that's all alright. And I'll leave it at that, do another video. Got one coming out, a bit longer. This was just a short one. Speak to you all later.